Go.
Tell about a place that amazed you in Marvels of the Orient. Describe the place just as how Richard Halliburton described it.
Okay. Okay, so I go for Petra. Petra was a wonderful place, very hidden from plain sight. If you did not know the way, you would not find it. According to legend, the path that leads to it is the place where goblins go pass by. It was a wonderful place. And though very old, it was still as magnificent as it was. Legend also says how it was made. And I'm going to tell you the story.
Describe the place.
So,
Like when you get there.
it was so beautiful that it inspired the legend that it was made by the most wonderful Greek artists and carvers and of gems. It is very much. It's now this Petra has many tools, wonderful tools that if you enter it, it feels like as though you were going inside a temple, a very wonderful temple. This place was very magical indeed. Even if you see it at night, not with a normal light, if you see it in the morning, but still wonderful. Because as the moon shines upon it, you will see it pale, but in another way of beauty. And so that's all.